Apparently, so does the van. Hi, welcome to Gibby Works. The man is absent, son, and some wrenches. So today, we're gonna just need to do some work on the van. Haven't done the brakes in probably forever. Needs an oil change. Need to tune up. We're heading for a campus visit next week, so got to make sure things are all good to go. And these things I've been kind of ignoring. So come along. Let's have some fun. Yep. So I said this in my last video. The Tundra, it gets stuck. Apparently, so does the van. A little bit of persuasion, and it goes. So these actually look really good, but it's been forever, so I think I'm going to change them anyway. Okay, so had to take a few things off here. So let's start on these plugs. That runs. I've always wanted to kind of show this. This is something that Isaac and I stumbled across, or well, Isaac did. But put a hose on the intake of the oil, and then when you turn on the vacuum, it makes it so you don't get splashed. So watch this. Nothing. Doesn't come out. Awesome. Then turn off it. Starts. Great way to avoid getting splashed. So thanks for coming along. Got it all done. So got the pads changed. That's in great shape. So got the spark plugs changed. So that's gonna make a huge difference, I think, in how well this fan runs. And then got the oil changed. So it's been a good day. It all went pretty smoothly. Only barring one or two little hangups, but nothing that stopped this project from going all the way through today. So great news. So anyway, I'm Daniel. This is Gibby Works, a man, his absent son, and some wrenches. So thanks for coming along. Oh, and yes, I do know the engine light stayed on. Something else I'm working on, but I did know that. Okay, I've wanted to show this because I think this is kind of a neat trick when you're going for an oil change. That's to my shop vac. So when I turn the shop vac on and go underneath and undo the bolt, I don't get splashed. It's awesome. Watch this. Hold on. Isaac would be here, but he's serving.